Find features that distinguish it from other brands for wooden 5.1.2 soundbars, 4 surround speakers, 400-watt peak power, TV speaker surround sound system, HiPulse N512. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Upgraded 5.1.2 channel home theater sound system that fills the room. Unlike conventional all-in-one 5.1 TV soundbars, this full-featured soundbar system includes a main soundbar, 5.25 inches subwoofer, and now 4 discrete surround speakers, 2 front, 2 rear, for dramatically more immersive, directional sound. Up-firing drivers expand the sound stage, while crystal-clear dialogue and room-filling audio make movies, sports, and music come alive. Note: Dolby and DTS not supported. Breakthrough discrete spatial expansion technology. This surround TV speakers features our proprietary discrete spatial expansion tech built on a separated speaker architecture and spatial channel expansion design. By leveraging a hybrid wired and wireless layout with physically separated front and rear speakers, it dramatically expands the horizontal sound stage and improves spatial direction, letting sound flow naturally from front to back for a theater-like experience across your living room. Expanded 4 surround speakers for bigger sound and room-to-room music sharing. This Bluetooth speaker for TV includes 2 wired front and 2 wireless rear speakers for immersive home theater sound. For music playback, the rear speakers can be moved to another room on the same floor, like a bedroom or office, for audio in multiple rooms. For the most immersive surround sound while watching TV or movies, we recommend keeping all speakers in the same room. 11 premium drivers, powerful inside, cinematic outside. Next-gen aluminum magnesium diaphragms featuring reinforced rib structures provide increased stiffness and minimized resonance, delivering powerful, distortion-free sound. Combined with voice lift tech, this system enhances vocal frequencies for exceptional clarity, making news, dialogue, and narration easier to hear even at low volumes or in noisy environments. Enhanced sound stage with 2 upward-firing drivers. This smart TV sound system includes 2 added upward-firing drivers that broaden the cinematic sound stage, delivering spacious, room-filling sound. The wider audio spread enhances your surround experience with greater depth and directionality, pulling you deeper into movies, shows, and sports with immersive 3D audio that fills the room. 5.25-inch down-firing subwoofer for deep, powerful bass. This home audio TV soundbars features a precisely tuned 5.25-inch subwoofer that delivers deep, room-filling bass in every low-end moment, from explosions to bass lines. The down-firing design spreads rich low frequencies across your space without distortion. Adjustable bass control, -6 to +6, lets you customize the punch, ideal for apartments, condos, or dedicated home theater soundbar. Preset EQ modes and custom bass, treble, rear surround adjustment. Easily switch between preset EQ modes: movie, music, news, dialogue enhanced, and game to match your content and audio needs. You can also fine-tune bass, treble, and rear surround volume with adjustable sound controls, whether you prefer deeper bass for action scenes, enhanced vocals for clearer dialogue, or a balanced surround sound experience. Wide compatibility with seamless control, supports ARC, optical, AUX, USB, and Bluetooth 5.3. Connect your TV, smartphones, or other media players with ease. Enjoy plug-and-play setup and quick input switching from a single intuitive remote. Activate night mode, turn off the LED display, and control all soundbar features easily with one remote. Designed for simple home use with universal compatibility. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.